Did you know the deadliest heist in American history killed more people after the robbery than during it? December 1978, JFK Airport. A crew of professional thieves pulled off the perfect heist at the Lufthansa cargo terminal. $6 million in cash and jewelry, gone in under an hour. But mastermind Jimmy Burke had a problem. Too many witnesses, too many people wanting their cut. So Burke did something shocking. He started killing his own crew. One by one, the thieves who helped him started disappearing. Shot in the back of the head, stabbed in parking lots, bodies stuffed in car trunks. Henry Hill watched in terror as Burke eliminated anyone who knew about the heist, even people who weren't involved but might talk. Within months, Burke had murdered nearly everyone connected to the robbery. The paranoid gangster killed more people covering up the crime than actually committed it. Hill's testimony about the massacre later inspired the movie Goodfellas. The perfect heist became the perfect nightmare, all because one man couldn't stand sharing.